It takes a meticulous process, from the sun-drenched fields to the final bottle, to craft the ketchup your family loves.
Tomato ketchup is one of the most popular condiments in the world.
The journey of a simple bottle reveals a world of intricate engineering, where precision is paramount. From high above, the scale of the operation becomes clear. Miles of vibrant green and red stretch toward the horizon.
Only the finest specimens are selected, handled gently to preserve their flawless texture and vibrant color. Perfectly ripe and bursting with flavor, these deep red beauties are ready for harvest.
Utilizing advanced machinery, the tomatoes are rapidly harvested and loaded directly from the field onto waiting transport, delivering the freshest harvest from the farm to the factory. Our logistics are optimized for speed and efficiency. Automated systems efficiently unload the fresh tomatoes, ensuring high volume and rapid processing at the receiving station. Here in quality control, we rely on human precision in selection. Each tomato is carefully examined before moving down the line.
High-speed optical sorting analyzes every product with unmatched precision. Any deviation is instantly detected.
Precision and purity. We select only the finest tomatoes, ensuring peak freshness and quality from the start. The journey begins with washing and sorting. Our tomatoes are cleaned using high-pressure water jets in sterile steel chambers.
Utilizing high-pressure jets, the washing machine vigorously sprays the tomatoes. Water splashes and rolls off the surfaces, ensuring a thorough clean.
Utilizing fine misting nozzles, we apply a food-grade sanitizing solution, ensuring a precise and hygienic treatment for every tomato. Only the freshest tomatoes are selected, then meticulously cleaned with cascades of pure, crystal-clear water. Cleaned and sorted, the tomatoes ascend the conveyor line, entering the first stage of the automated crushing process. Here we see the clean separation process. The final product base flows smoothly on the left as the skins and seeds are transported away on the right.
This is the foundation, pure tomato base. We select only the reddest, smoothest tomatoes for an unparalleled texture.
This stage involves the rapid transfer of fresh tomato puree into large industrial heating tanks, a crucial step in the production process. Slow, controlled heating allows for gentle evaporation, concentrating the rich tomato flavor. Utilizing advanced process control, we maintain consistent quality parameters during the evaporation phase. Precise adjustments are critical. The gentle heat reduces the puree, transforming it into this rich, glossy, and intensely flavored deep red paste.
Precise amounts of liquid and dry ingredients are added systematically to the tomato paste.
Fine white sugar and coarse salt are added, followed by a splash of clear vinegar and a vibrant blend of aromatic spices.
Fine white sugar, coarse salt granules.
Kept under lock and key since 1892, this book holds the secret to the original ketchup production formula.
The raw ingredients are introduced into the high-speed vortex, guaranteeing a smooth, even blend every single time. Here, the ketchup mixture simmers gently at a precise 92.5 degrees Celsius, allowing the flavors to meld and transform under consistent heat. Flavor development is key. We ensure even distribution through continuous, smooth stirring, preventing any scorching.
Utilizing real-time sensor data for precise adjustments. The pH level stabilizes at 3.85, while
The result is this incredibly rich, smooth texture. Simply perfect ketchup.
The cooked ketchup mixture flows into the filtration system, beginning the purification and refinement process.
These filters remove any remaining particles, resulting in a silky, uniform consistency.
Rigorous quality control ensures perfection. The result is a glossy texture and a perfectly balanced taste.
Clinical precision is paramount. We meticulously analyze key indicators like viscosity, pH.
We analyze the texture and consistency using a rheometer, assess the color spectrum with a colorimeter, and verify the acidity with a pH meter. Quality standards are confirmed. The approved product seamlessly transitions to the automated filling stage, maintaining sterile production from start to finish. A continuous stream of bottles rushes along the high-speed conveyor system, demonstrating the mechanical rhythm of this advanced automated production line. Our advanced filling technology precisely measures the hot ketchup, ensuring uniformity across every bottle and significantly minimizing waste. The natural warmth ensures every bottle is perfectly preserved, just as nature intended, with no need for artificial ingredients. This automated system ensures every ketchup bottle is sealed securely.
This is airtight protection at its finest. Contamination prevented, freshness assured. The high-speed vision system performs a precise seal integrity check, confirming the cap is secured.
Citizens. As the bottles enter the labeling machine, rollers precisely apply the main brand labels. Immediately after, the high-resolution camera performs a real-time scan, ensuring perfect placement and crisp print quality. The label is verified. Advanced robotics brings automated precision packaging to the forefront of our operations, redefining speed and accuracy. Utilizing advanced climate control, this global distribution hub efficiently processes thousands of. Our state-of-the-art facility maintains the perfect environment for storage. Temperature and humidity are constantly monitored. Real-time data allows us to trace the journey of every ketchup carton, ensuring transparency from the factory to the shelf. With strategic placement, our network ensures rapid distribution, reaching markets on every continent. From the highway to the high seas, our logistics network ensures products move efficiently across the globe.
Our team meticulously inspects every carton to ensure perfect condition before shipping.
We offer a range of choices for every taste. Try our new low-sugar blend, the certified organic option, or ignite your senses with spicy. Diligent application of our hygiene protocols ensures every machine is free from contaminants, preventing cross-contamination effectively. Here, robotic arms work in perfect harmony, producing goods with incredible speed and accuracy. Here, at the heart of our operations, advanced AI and robotics work in seamless harmony to bring our product to the world. Fisser. Sustainability is a key focus. Our integrated systems utilize advanced robotics and real-time sensor data to optimize.
We collect tomato waste from the production line and process it into sustainable animal feed and nutrient-rich compost.
Progressive environmental solutions are transforming waste into clean water and harnessing the power of the sun and wind.
The shelf life is secured through a combinate natrinated, perfectly sealed, naturally fresh ketchup.
With absolutely no artificial preservatives, just natural goodness.
This is the final sample for quality testing. We must ensure the viscosity meets the established standard before release.
First, the taste evaluation confirms the flavor profile. Next, we analyze the texture and consistency as it spreads.
From the vine, through our state-of-the-art facility, to your table. This is the journey of our finest ketchup.
Look at that stream. So smooth, so vibrant. This isn't just ketchup, it's culinary art perfected. Perfection isn't just a goal, it's a promise delivered in every smooth, vibrant squeeze.